Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Fed's preferred inflation gauge, core PCE, shows further cooling in August. Analysts predict a weakening dollar if China strengthens. Bitcoin sees potential rise due to robust ETF inflows and China's stimulus measures. NVIDIA's AI chips face regulatory pressure in China, while Costco analysts grapple with valuation questions. Apple may unveil the new Vision Pro with M5 chip and Apple Intelligence by 2025, according to an analyst. Amazon reportedly surpasses $1.8 billion in ad spending commitments for video streaming services and plans to provide opioid overdose drugs in the workplace. Rocket Lab hits a new 52-week high amid signs of revenue growth potential. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more. August's core personal consumption expenditures price index rose 0.1% month-over-month, below the expected 0.2%. Year-over-year, it increased by 2.7%, matching expectations. The overall PCE price index also grew by 0.1% monthly and 2.2% annually, both slightly below forecasts. Personal income and personal outlays each rose by 0.2%. U.S. second quarter GDP growth remained strong at 3% in the latest estimate.
Barclays analysts suggest the U.S. dollar may weaken if China's fiscal stimulus reaches 10 trillion yuan. The initial 2 trillion yuan package aims for economic stabilization, but a larger stimulus could boost Chinese consumption and demand, pressuring the dollar. This scenario might strengthen the Chinese yuan below 7 per U.S. dollar.
Bitcoin is set to rise 4.3% this week, staying above $60,000 due to strong Bitcoin ETF inflows and China's new stimulus measures. The People's Bank of China cut key rates, boosting investor sentiment. Bitcoin hit $65,000 on Thursday ahead of a major options expiration. In other news, Robinhood may launch its own stablecoin. PayPal now allows U.S. business clients to trade cryptocurrencies. Macquarie Equity Research sees potential in Bitcoin miners like Riot Platforms and CleanSpark. Former Alameda Research CEO Caroline Ellison sentenced for her role in the FTX collapse. Coinbase appeals SEC's denial for new crypto rules. Bitcoin rose 0.9% to $65,900. Ether increased 1.6% to $2,700. Analyst Dean Popplewell notes that closing above the 200-day moving average could trigger a bullish breakout for Bitcoin.
NVIDIA, listed on Nasdaq as NVIDIA, can't sell its top chips to China due to U.S. restrictions. Chinese regulators are discouraging local firms from buying NVIDIA's H20 chips. NVIDIA shares fell 3% on Friday as China aims to boost its own AI chipmakers like Cambricon and Huawei.
Costco Wholesale's mixed fourth-quarter earnings report follows a notable share price rally in 2024. Barclays raised its price target to $850, while Morgan Stanley set it at $950, calling Costco the envy of retail. J.P. Morgan increased its target to $945, citing strong growth in durable goods categories like toys and home furnishings. The average price target is $907.30, reflecting caution on near-term gains. Costco's fresh food business showed high single-digit growth, with significant sales boosts from value-focused items like Kirkland's signature boneless chicken tenderloins and international food products such as Painter cheese and fried tofu kimbap. Shares slipped 1.1% pre-market to $901.44. The all-time high is $923.83.
Apple plans to unveil a new Vision Pro mixed reality headset next year, according to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo from TF International Securities. Powered by Apple's M5 chip, the device will enter mass production in late 2025. Kuo suggests that integrating OpenAI's text-to-video generator could significantly enhance the user experience.
Amazon has exceeded its $1.8 billion ad spending target for video streaming services, including Prime Video, with ads on live sports like the NFL's Thursday Night Football. In 2024, Amazon is expected to capture 13.8% of U.S. digital ad spending, behind Google and Meta.
Amazon plans to stock all North American facilities with naloxone, an opioid overdose reversal medication, by early 2025. This move aligns with guidance from U.S. health authorities and aims to address the opioid crisis. Naloxone is marketed as Narcan by Emergent Biosolutions and also sold generically by Teva Pharmaceuticals.
Rocket Lab USA shares surged after KeyBank Capital Markets reaffirmed its outperform rating and raised the price target to $11. The company completed testing for Varda Space Industries' second Pioneer spacecraft, preparing for in-space operations and re-entry. Rocket Lab hit a 52-week high of $10.29, gaining 11.65%. Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates in the world of business. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.